I'll start by pulling the chain. I won't make a magic ring. Because it's hard to make a magic ring with velvet thread, I will teach you an easier method. I am right-handed. Keep the yarn like this. That's why I'm going to wrap the thread in my left hand. Wrap the yarn around the index finger. Hold tight with your pinky finger. Wind the yarn on the hook. Make a circle but hold tight at the point where the ropes intersect. Pull the thread with the hook and pass it through the loop. Keep holding tight with your left hand. Pull the thread like I taught. Repeat. Pull the short thread. Don't stress. Soft crochet. Otherwise it will be difficult to crochet. Repeat. If you knit stressed, you'll knit tight. It will be harder for you to pull the hook. Now. Soft crochet. Start to crochet into the second chain. Insert hook into the second chain. Pull the thread like this. There are 2 loops on hook. Pull the thread like this. I crocheted first single crochet. Repeat and follow my instructions. Pull the short thread. I completed first row.